Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore custom shape vertical status meter. Create a new Photoshop document, select the custom shape tool and choose a rounded rectangle shape. Draw a tall vertical bar. Change fill color to light gray and duplicate the bar using Ctrl plus J. Then resize the duplicate shorter. Change its color to green, align it to the bottom of the main bar. Add small divider lines using shape tool. Now place numeric labels beside each level. Group all layers together. Double click the active bar layer. Add subtle inner shadow. Press OK. Zoom out to preview. Status meter looks functional in Photoshop.